Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Star Wars Battlefront 2 not launching on the Steam or just not launching in general. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and make your way over to Steam. From here, go ahead and look for Star Wars Battlefront 2. Once you find it, right click on it, hit properties, and then go over to installed files, and then go ahead and go over to verify integrity of game files. Now once you hit that, you should be good to go. You can X out of that. You can go to libraries, you can launch the game. Now that is the first solution. The second solution you guys can try doing is by going over to the search bar and typing in device manager. From the device manager, go ahead and type in or look for display adapters, right click on your GPU and hit update driver, and then go ahead and choose search automatically for drivers. Now, once you choose that is one way of updating your drivers, and that should help fix the issue. Another thing you guys can do is by going over to the NVIDIA app directly, going over to drivers, and then clicking on download if you have any updates available. If you're on AMD, you can use the AMD equivalent app, or you can just manually install it from a browser of your choice. Now, once you do all these methods, I highly recommend restarting your PC as well, and then you guys should be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.